Hi, this is PR Sundar and welcome to the special episode where I'm not going to talk about stock market and there is something has been going on in my mind for the last many months. So I just wanted to talk something about that. So before that, let me tell you one real life incident. I had a friend in Singapore and her daughter wanted to come to Chennai. And she came to Chennai. She wanted me to take her to another place, but like far away place from Chennai. Since my car was under service, I took her with me in a bus. And when the bus was traveling half the way, she said, "Uncle, I wanted to go to toilet." And I told the driver stopped somewhere, and he said, "This is the toilet." The toilet was about 400 to 500 feet away, and the entire stretch is so smelly. So this girl decided not to go for toilet. Why I give this specific example? Because in Singapore, it's very, very famous for maintaining the clean toilets. In Singapore, you go to any toilet, public toilets, they'll be very, very clean. And just like a 5-star hotel toilets. So with such a clean environment, when she came here, and she suffered a lot. And I remember a joke one of my friends told me when I was in a college. One time, the American president visited India. So Indian president took the American president in a train. And that time, the American president saw so many Indian people passing motion along the railway tracks. So American president told the Indian president, what your people are so bad and they are doing like this. And then Indian president got a little bit annoyed and he wanted to do the same thing to the American president. So after the visit, American president invited Indian president to America. Then Indian president went to America and American president took Indian president in a train. So Indian president was looking, is there anybody passing motion along the railway track? And finally he found one guy passing motion on the railway track. Then Indian president told the American president, you told us about our people passing motion. Now you look at your own country, what this guy is doing. Then American president got so angry and he told the security guards, stop the train, go and arrest that guy. How can this guy do like this? And the people stopped the train. The security guard went and came back and told the president, we have no authority to arrest that guy. And president said, is it? How come we don't have the authority? Who is that guy? Then they said, sir, he is an Indian ambassador to US. So this is just a joke, but this joke is all about, how people in India don't care about the public health. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started something called Swachh Bharat, and so a lot of money is being collected for that purpose from the taxpayers, and a lot of money is being spent for that purpose. And despite that, so sometimes you go to public toilets, they are really in a bad condition. So we just cannot blame the government for everything. What we can do for that? I'll just give you one simple another example. I used to travel a lot in night time in a car. So when I'm traveling in a car in a night time, the lorry that is going in front of us, should have a light behind. A red light, so that we know that there is a vehicle moving around. Otherwise, in the so dark, if they don't have any lights, especially if the opposite side, if there is any vehicle is coming, so that time we will not be able to see the vehicle in front if there is no light. And many times I used to think, why these people are so bad, they don't have the lights not working. If the lights not working, what is the big thing? They can just 5 rupees, 10 rupees, they can just go and buy one reflector and they can put it behind so that our headlight, when it touches, it will reflect. Even that these people are not doing. And when I was talking like this, my wife asked me one day, why are you saying that these people are not doing this, not doing that? Okay, you are saying there's only 5 rupees, 10 rupees, right? What is wrong if you spend that money? Then, that day onwards, okay, I spend 100 rupees or 200 rupees, I buy some reflectors, I keep it. So, as and when I go on highways, if any lorry is traveling without a reflector, I stop them, I tell them, please have your lights repaired, and until then you put a reflector, and you don't have reflector, now I'm giving you free of cost. So it's a matter of 5 rupees or 10 rupees, but it can save a lot of lives. Why I'm giving this example, many people can complain, many people can give the problems, but only few people can give solution. So my wife is the one who has given the solution. 100 rupees, 200 rupees is nothing for me. But if I can save one life, that's very, very big. So the same way, coming back to this toilet thing, I thought what we can do. So then one of my friends suggested, a very good suggestion, I really have to appreciate him. He said, sir, why not we take control of one public toilet, and then we spend our money and we renovate the toilet very nicely, and then we maintain it. And then we thought which public toilet we take. Then my friend suggested, sir, hospital is the place where people will have a lot of diseases. On top of which, if they use unhygienic toilet, so they are more problem. The hospital toilets needs to be more clean. Then my friend suggested, why not we go and approach one government hospital, we tell them, okay, give the toilet to us, we will manage it. Then in my mind, what comes to me, this is only at the discussion level, so we have not started implementing it yet. And my vision, I'm just giving my vision. I take over one toilet from one of the government hospitals and have to renovate it to the 5-star hotel level. You go to a 5-star hotel, what kind of toilet you will have, that kind of toilet I have to develop. Maybe I have to talk to people like Jaguar, Kohler, to get some sponsorship. They can sponsor their product to us, and in turn they can do their advertisement. And then the initial expense may be more, but we put a world-class toilet in a government hospital. Then we have to employ people just to maintain the cleanliness, and also to educate the people who are using the toilet. This is what is going on in my mind right now, and I'm just working towards that. What I would suggest you, if you have got the money and if you have got the manpower, and you can take over one toilet from your state, from your city, hospital or any other public toilet, and you can do this. And in case if you think you have only the money but you don't have the manpower, and then you can consider donating to our trust. The link for our trust is given in the description. So you can donate whatever money you can donate. So when we collect so much of donation, so we can do it from our side. My vision is that without expecting the government to do anything, we will do it. My vision is that if I start, if I do one, and then if I set an example, then that 10 different people see me and they set up, and then 100 different people see these 10 people, they do it, and then 1000 different people see the 100 people, they do it. So one day, without expecting the government help, and out of our own funds, through charity and other things, so we will start managing the toilets all over India. So we provide a very good, clean toilet facility for our citizens. So this is my ambition, and right now this is only at the drawing room level, and because today is Tuesday, so there is no stock market video, so maybe I thought I will put this video. Let us come together and do something good for the country. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.